Hey everyone, I took 3 trades today. They were all profitable. Let me show you what I did. I took Apple pretty much right out of the gate. Um, uh, this looked bullish. It had a green candle yesterday. The moving averages are pointing up. That's the 8-day moving average. This is the 2-day moving average. Because they're green, that means they're both pointing up. So I started scaling in just right away. And of course, this was an amazing run. I didn't get all the way to the top here, but I got right up to here. Now I was scaling out along the way, but my last exit was on this candle here. Um, and I made a profit on this trade of $1,750. I also took, so I was trading zeros. So these options move very, very quickly. Like I'll show you my executions in a second, but the ones I sold up here were more than double, significantly more than double what I paid for them. So they really went up very quickly. Netflix, on the other hand, also looked bullish, but they don't have options expiring today, which is a Wednesday. So I had to buy the ones that were expiring on Friday, and those move much, much, much slower. So I also started scaling in right out of the open and added down in here. So all the position I took was in here. And then I scaled out on the way up here. I don't know what my last exit was. I can show you the timestamps. But in any case, the highest appreciation I got on an exit was like 35% or 40% maybe above what I paid for it, which is great, but it's a lot less than 100 plus. And then the Tesla trade was the big winner for the day. And this, so as well here, I started taking options right out of the open, and I scaled all through this area in here. It looked bullish to me. And so this move came, and I actually got my last exit right here on this candle. It was approaching the 50% extension from this drawdown, this little dip here. So it went much further. I could have made even more money. But anyway, I'm very, very happy with my trading today. It went well. I've had some hard days recently, so I made 2,500 exactly on the Tesla trade for a total of $4,684, which is a great day for me. I'm very happy about that. So here are my fills. So you can see, let me see here. Yeah, this I just sold some treasuries to get some cash. So anyway, I started scaling in here, scaling Apple, Netflix, just scaling in all through here. And then I started scaling in as well for Tesla. So all through this range, all I was doing was buying options. This went up until 650. And that's when Apple and Netflix started to really pop. And so I took most of the position, all the position off in through here. That was my last Netflix exit. Actually, let's just look at that really quick. So the first Netflix I bought was for $1.24, and the last Netflix I sold was for $1.83. So I made 60 cents roughly on top of 124. So it's 50% appreciation from what I originally paid. And then here is all Tesla, and scaling more in. I bought more through that consolidation, and then this thing just took off. And so the earliest, the lowest Tesla that I bought was like $1.09. There it is right there. $1.09 I paid for that contract, and the highest exit I got was 415. So that's incredible. That's like almost a 300% appreciation from low to high. Now that's not the average, of course, but that's why I ended up having. And can you imagine if I actually held it in through this, went to the 200, which is the 100% extension of this drawdown? I thought it could possibly do it, but I was just nervous. I was happy to have a good day. And then these candles happened, so I was actually happy to get out. But then sure enough, it just took off and kept going. But if we got all the way up here, it probably would have been like a 5x, maybe even a 6x of what I originally paid. So it gives you an idea how fast these options can move if you're on the right side of the trade. So in any case, very happy with my day today. I appreciate you watching, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.